Hello, it's Yolanda Shoshana with this week's wine and spirit pairing. How are you? I hope last week was filled with magic. Now let's see what opportunities are in store for us. This week's pairing is with the Cook's Tarot, a food-inspired deck, and I've paired it with the premium Chardonnay from Buena Vista Winery, making it the perfect pairing because good food and wine are always the perfect pairing. This Chardonnay is actually an exclusive Chardonnay. It's one of the ones I am a wine ambassador for. I'm really picky about Chardonnay, especially the ones from California, because a lot of them taste like you're licking a stick of butter. This does not taste like you're licking a stick of butter. The notes in it are honeysuckle, pear, and melon. Quite delicious. A fun fact is that Buena Vista is actually the first premium winery built in California. This was before all of the other Sonoma Valley wineries and Napa and all that. This one has been around since 1857. So if you are a white wine lover, this is the jam. Trust me. I drink red and white, but this is totally the jam, and it's very food friendly and it is delicious, which takes us to our food deck. This deck is stunning. I love it. It is created by an artist who believes that the kitchen is the heart of the house. I could not agree more. Let's see what this Power of 3 reading has for us. We have the Ace of Pentacles. Pentacles are an earth element, so this is about being grounded. And this is viewed as a gift, the ace is. So something new is about to pop off. A new beginning, a change of direction, something good is about to take place. So look for something new, and if something new lands in your lap, jump at the opportunity. Don't be scared of it. Don't shrink yourself. Don't, think about it and think about it too long to where you talk yourself out of it. Go with it. So look for something new coming your way. And don't forget, more than likely, you have asked the universe for this new thing, so accept this magical and fabulous gift. Then we have the Page of Wands, and the Page of Wands is a fire element, so this is about passion and creativity. So basically, it's time to stir some things up. You have a lot of ideas, so now it's time to put some of those things into action. What actions can you take this week to tap into those ideas and those aha moments that you've had, possibly with this new beginning that's coming? So be ready for stirring it up in your life, especially if you've been a little bit bored or you are in a routine. Stir it up. I'm always about to stir it up. I always tell my clients, stir it up. Stir up life's pot of deliciousness. All right, and last but not least, we have the Eight of Swords. Look at these cards, aren't they hot? The Eight of Swords, this is about mental clarity. So this is an air element. This is about things you're thinking about and what's on your mind. So this is about taking back your power. You see this woman is tied up. Somewhere along the way, you've given some power away, or you have been silent about something that is bothering you. It is time to take back your power. The door is right there, and now all you have to do is turn the knob and take a step. So where have you allowed someone or something to make you feel powerless? Be honest about it, and it's time to go and get your power back. Let's do a recap. I love, love, love this reading. I think it's going to be an amazing week. So this Ace of Pentacles, something good is about to happen and change is in the air. I've been saying that for a couple of weeks now. Change is happening, and allow this new beginning to be a fresh start for you. And then this Page of Wands, you've got a lot of ideas. Stir up that pot, mix it up. Make that magic happen, and you are going to take back your power with this Eight of Swords. You're going to be clear about it. So it looks like you've got something new, a lot of ideas, and you're going to take back your power. This is a wonderful opportunity for your truth to really show itself and for you to shift and shine. I hope you have a magical week. Sip on some of this Chardonnay as all these magical things are happening. You actually sip on the Chardonnay to celebrate all this new and fabulous and delicious, awesome sauce that's coming your way. If you'd like to schedule a reading with me, feel free to write me at shoshi@yolandashoshana.com. I'm normally about 2.5 to 3 weeks booked up, but I can get you in there. We'll find a way. You can also always get an email reading from me. You can get those at any time because I don't ever sleep. And don't forget to check out my newsletter, The Magic, and my blog, brewhouseblog.com. And may the road rise to meet you. And last but absolutely not least, I absolutely and I positively love you. Namaste.